Hello everybody, today we want to share with you how to make the most popular egg, onsen egg. What do you need is water, ice, and refrigerated egg. The first step is to bring water to a boil. At this moment, don't take eggs out from the fridge yet. Once water is boiling, take eggs out from the fridge. Reduce the boiling water to simmer. Now you can see big bubble become small bubble. Add in the cold eggs gently. Let the eggs simmer for 6 to 7 minutes. Now you can start to pour ice to make ice cold water. Leave eggs in the ice cold water for another 10 minutes. Let's open it up. Ta-da! Now you have the perfect onsen egg. Thanks for watching. See you next time.